Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable swipe down for notifications panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on home screen. Now from here, just scroll down and disable this toggle to disable swipe down for notifications panel. Just like that. Now, if you swipe down, you will not open the notifications panel. Now, to enable this option back on, just open the settings app. Now, from here, just enable this toggle. Now, once you enable this toggle, you will enable swipe down for notifications panel. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and disable swipe down for notifications panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.